Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with convenient Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using Passcode. In this authentication method, you are asked to provide a one-time password generated by the Rublon Authenticator mobile app. The passcode generated by the app is based on the TOTP algorithm and changes every 30 seconds. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. Now I open the Rublon Authenticator application and expand the tab with the username. I enter the one-time code, and I'm logged into Windows. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO, security keys, phone call and SMS, email, as well as mobile push. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.